the Bacon Creeper 007, and if you even are still subscribed or watch my videos, since you probably thought that I died, I haven't been posting for literally, I think, like 5 or 6 months. I haven't checked recently, but I just haven't really had the time, I know that sounds corny, like that's my excuse every time, but it's true. So basically, this is, back to the old days. You probably think I'm gonna be like, open Minecraft. No, sorry. That will be happening again soon. Um, but actually, what I'm going to be teaching you today is the thing that happens when you open here. All of this code, all the code. Yeah. So I'm not going to be teaching you that exact code. What I meant by that is I'm going to be teaching you basic HTML, just to create a simple web page. And if you really want to go big with this, buy a domain name, get a web hosting thing. So yeah, first thing you're going to want to do, download Sublime Text, not 1, not 3, Sublime Text 2. The link for that download will be in the description. So yeah, you're going to want to open that, and as you can see, this is just a blank thing with the number 1 on it, and yay, lots of different ones. Okay, so basically the first thing you're going to want to do is save as, and name it whatever you want. I'll just name this tutorial. I cannot type today. HTML. Yes, this is not something. Okay. So then the first thing you're gonna want to do to just kind of start the HTML doc. Oh, yes. Okay. Start the HTML doc is go like that. Oh, the other way to do it, instead of naming it HTML, it'll already be there if you go down here, and you'll be able to see all of these. There's a lot of different ones. C++. I like Python, maybe JavaScript. JavaScript's fun. CSS, all that stuff. But HTML is the one we're going to be using today, which is the most basic, I would say easiest one, in my opinion at least. So yeah, to open the HTML file, you're going to want to do HTML, and then you're going to want to do head, or head, and then you can do, so save this so it'll go on your desktop. Make sure to save it to your desktop too for easy access. As you can see, just a really blank thing, literally, it's just a not even anything. That's because there's nothing in here, almost, except for the HTML head. Okay, whatever. Anyway, so as you can see, it says tutorial.html up here. If you just want to, you can change that by going, I'll just name it my web page. I'm not typing very fast because I cannot. I mean, I can, but I'm just saying, cannot type today. Very slow. Okay. And then you're going to want to close it. Sorry for that incredibly weird noise. Command S is the shortcut on Mac. I don't know what it is. Refresh the page. My web page, as you can see it up here. When I said I don't know what it is, I meant I don't know what it is on Windows. Okay. Then I want to open the body. And then just to do, obviously white is, I mean, don't get me wrong, love the color white. I think this suits it better. Body, bg color equals, then you're going to want to do quotation marks. My favorite one is 12 nines, hashtag, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a lot, but only because, oh, never mind, wait. Jeez, silly me. Okay. Then, yeah, it's this kind of light gray, which I personally like. So yeah, after that, in order to make a title on the page, not like up here on the actual web page, you're going to want to do H1, which is header 1, and then you can do, let's just say, I don't know, hello, save it, refresh, hello. So yeah, for this I'll just do, this is such a hard and intense tutorial, because it's going to be incredibly excruciatingly hard. JK. Yeah, no, this is gonna be very easy. So, that's that. You can do header 1, and then you can either do, like, that's obviously already bold. If you want to make something else bold, poop, get rid of that. If you want to make just something just bold that's not already, you can do, so you're just doing regular text, so P, P, so mature. Okay, you can do P, B, for bold, obviously, and then just do, like, hello, close that, P, and then close the bold, because I'll show you what happens when you don't close the bold. So you can see, wow, that was an intense failure. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, I failed there. Yeah, because, see, this is what happens when you don't close your things, because it was still header 1. That's why it was so huge. Gotta close that, man. Slash H1. Man. Lesson. A life lesson right there. Okay. P. P. Okay. I'll just show you what it looks like regular, like, hello, peeps. That's what P looks like regularly, just the P, it's, you know, regular text. And then I will just close this to save myself from doing it later. And then you can do B. There are other ways to do it, but B is the shortest and quickest and easiest. Bold. And then you can do, oopsie daisy. I, or for italicize, and then, or you can do EM. Either one works. So for this, I'll just do, you know what, I'll do B and I, because YOLO. And then I'll do, you know, this is a amateur, yeah, that's not how you spell it, YOLO! And grammar freaks don't rant in the comments about me spelling amateur wrong. This is, you know, just to save myself from the hassle, this is an easy way of doing HTML. And then, you know, close all this. Make sure to close it, because it's really annoying when you don't, because you're like, oh my gosh, why is everything huge? Because you forgot to close header 1, buddy. Slash B. And then slash... Oopsie daisy. No, that's, I don't, there's a full version to this. It's really not, is this practically the exact same thing. So you don't need to buy that. You can just download this for free. So that's basically not it, but what I mean by it is you can literally just, if you're doing, I don't know, if you're at school and you're supposed to do, I don't know, like a research paper or something, you can literally just put this on a hard drive, put it up, and just say, I coded this all by myself. Yep. And then everybody will be like, oh my god, that guy's so cool. Getting all the ladies, if you know what I mean. Wink. Okay. So that's basically, you can just type. And type. And type. Type. So do that, you know. That's literally it, except for the fact that, you know, just remember, if you're looking to do a really intense professional website, this is not good for you, trust me. And then, this is kind of cool. LI Monday, trust me with this. You'll see where I'm going in a second. Oops, LI Tuesday. See, LI makes a list. So you can do like, you know, you do the whole like Tuesday, and then like LI Wednesday, LI. I'm doing all these, so you can skip ahead. I'm doing all these. Thursday, LI Friday. It's Friday, Friday, Friday. Sorry, Rebecca Black, but you know that song was horrible. And then last but not least, Sunday. Save that. Load it up. Yep, that's, oh boy, have the days of the week. And also, teaching kindergarten, like, this. Hi, kids. It's Barney. Here are the days of the week. Save that. And just days of the week, and then, you know, LI, that's something not more advanced, but like that people just like, I don't know, it's, I don't know where I'm going with this. Anyway, yeah, so that's basically, you know, basic HTML, incredibly basic. You can do like here, I'll show you something that you can do with this information plus more. So let's say I saved it, correct? Yeah. Okay, so like I did this. Open with Sublime Text. So I did this. You can wait. Don't copy it yet. Not quite yet. There we go. Okay, so yeah, this is basically kind of not advanced, but what I mean by this is more. This took like 10 to 15 minutes. The only reason that this is probably taking that this seems like it would take forever to do is because I'm explaining all of it, but since I'm like fluent enough, you know, just welcome to my website. I did home. You can do stuff like this. I did this wrong. I forgot to you don't need to watch this if you don't want, but I forgot, this is also a good lesson. I always forget when I'm doing the body color or the background color. Every time, always forget to you know, like, what am I going to say? To close it, because I always like leave it open and that messes everything up. So make sure to close it. Just for the last time, I'm gonna say it. Make sure to close it. With the little arrow pointing to the right. Same thing with this. So yeah, so that's that. You can feel free. It's I'll like put this here. You can copy this, like pause it right now and copy it. Oh, and by the way, in these H2 and P's, or even H1 or title or whatever, anything where it's not like colorful and it's just white. Not anything, but yeah, pretty much anything that is just white except for those little arrows and slashes. You get what I mean. Any of this like text that's not in the code language, you can just edit this. You could put like an entire essay in like any of these little things, like even here, or like in the welcome to my website part, you could make a huge text just fill up the entire thing. So yeah, pause it. This is the home page. Pause it. This is the second page. Pause it. This is the third page. Figure that out if you want to do it. And then you can build off of that. So this is basically, I know that on YouTube there are like really advanced ones, like really advanced tutorials on stuff. Like not even, there's like no tutorials on just basic HTML. So I was just putting this up for anybody that just wants, you know, some basic tips on HTML. So yeah, you can impress some people with this, unless they're like, you know, pro coders. You know, you understand what I'm saying. Anyway, I really hope that I will be starting to post more frequently, like, and different games too. I'm gonna start to do like Garry's Mod, TF2, you know, Killing Floor, Goat Simulator. Oh, Goat Simulator, that's gonna be fun. So yeah, this channel is pretty much getting rebooted, except it's not a new channel. So yeah, you're welcome. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and probably not. There's yeah, there's not going to be an intro for this one, unfortunately, because I do not have one prepared right now. But, you know, next video, promise you an intro. Maybe even an outro. Probably not. Okay, comment, like, subscribe. Oh, comment down below, one, if this is helpful or not, and two, what game I should play next out of, like, these. Out of Minecraft, or any of these. Or if I should play Half-Life 2, because I have Half-Life 2 too. Half-Life 2 too. Okay, this is getting boring for you guys. Sorry, comment, like, and subscribe, and bye!